Hi, Professor Schwendeman. My name is Molly Hudson, and I'm going to show you my patho binder. So this is my cover, and then here is my table of contents. Oh shoot, this is kind of hard to do. So I'm gonna add more as I keep going. I just didn't want to waste all that paper of like putting it A through Z, so that's what that is. And then I have my tabs in here as well. You can see them. I had to take out my sheets just because there's always a glare when I recorded this earlier, so hopefully this is better. Oh yeah. So this is aortic insufficiency. And then the blood flow of the heart. FVD versus FVE. I hope that's easy to read. Apologies if it is not. A heart murmur. Left ventricle failure. Metabolic acidosis versus alkalosis. Mitral insufficiency. Pressure. Respiratory acidosis versus alkalosis. And my last one is right ventricle failure. Alright, those are all my slides.